The next project is the winch. I'm going to see if I can put my winch on. And that's a project. I'm going to pour in the barn and get to work. As Julia rides around. You gotta jump up in this thing just to kind of get an idea here how high up it is. Yeah. You gotta like grab the handle here, then you gotta like jump up in here. And Dad, you couldn't get in this one. We'd have to pick you up and throw you in. Here's the winch. Hope I got the right one. There's so many different winches out there. Then you have to get the winch mounting bracket, which that's over here. And the instructions. And I've seen video on this, and the biggest challenge is putting the bumper back on. This is even more challenging because of these lights right here. I don't think that winch is going to fit in there above that. I think that bar's going to have to come away. That's too bad. We'll see. Getting there. Got the bumper off. Now it's all about putting the winch plate on. You can grab this and bring it over. Too much there. Making progress. Get us here. It works. How about that, huh? Yabba dabba dooba.